crash course on Canadian technology. Discuss Canadian advancements in technology and well-known tech firms. Canada is a country that has made significant contributions to the world of technology. From early developments in radio and television to cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics, Canadian innovation has impacted the world in a variety of ways. Here are just a few examples of Canadian advancements in technology. 1. BlackBerry. One of the most well-known Canadian tech companies is BlackBerry. Founded in 1984 as Research in Motion, RIM, the company is famous for its line of smartphones and other mobile devices. In its heyday, BlackBerry was considered the leading smartphone manufacturer, with a global market share of over 20% in 2009. Though its market share has since declined, BlackBerry continues to develop innovative technologies, including a secure communications platform for autonomous vehicles. 2. Canadarm. Another Canadian innovation that has had a huge impact on the world is the Canadarm. Developed by the Canadian Space Agency in the 1980s, the Canadarm is a robotic arm used for a variety of tasks on the International Space Station and other spacecraft. It has been used for everything from deploying and retrieving satellites to assisting with spacewalks. The Canadarm has become a symbol of Canadian ingenuity and excellence in space technology. 3. AI and machine learning. Canada is also home to some of the world's leading research institutions in the fields of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. The University of Toronto, for example, is home to the Vector Institute for Artificial Intelligence, which focuses on developing and commercializing AI technologies. Meanwhile, Waterloo and Montreal have emerged as major hubs for AI research, with several major companies, including Google, Facebook, and Amazon setting up research labs in the city. 4. Shopify. One of Canada's most successful technology companies is Shopify, an e-commerce platform that helps small and medium-sized businesses set up and run online stores. Founded in 2006, Shopify has grown rapidly and now powers more than 1 million businesses in over 175 countries. The company's success has helped put Canada on the map as a hub for e-commerce and tech entrepreneurship. 5. NIMI. Another Canadian innovation that has gained attention in recent years is the NIMI, a wearable device that uses biometric authentication to identify users. The device uses the wearer's unique heartbeat to authenticate their identity, making it a more secure alternative to traditional password-based systems. The NIMI has applications in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and logistics. 6. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a social media management platform that helps businesses and organizations manage their social media accounts and campaigns. Founded in Vancouver in 2008, Hootsuite has grown to become one of Canada's most successful tech companies, with more than 18 million users in over 175 countries. The company's success has helped put Vancouver on the map as a hub for tech entrepreneurship. 7. Vancouver Film School. Canada has also made significant contributions to the world of animation and visual effects. The Vancouver Film School, for example, has become one of the world's leading institutions for training in these fields. Graduates of the school have gone on to work on some of the biggest blockbuster films and TV shows, including Star Wars, The Avengers, and Game of Thrones. 8. Nortel Networks. Nortel Networks was a telecommunications equipment manufacturer that was once one of Canada's largest technology companies. It was a major player in the development of telephone switches and optical networking technology. 9. OpenText. OpenText is a software company that specializes in enterprise content management, ECM, and document management systems. The company was founded in 1991 and has since grown to become one of the largest software companies in Canada. 10. Mitel. Mitel is a telecommunications company that specializes in the development of voice-over IP, VoIP, technology. The company was founded in 1973 and has since grown to become one of the largest VoIP providers in the world. 11. CGI Group. CGI Group is an IT consulting and outsourcing company that was founded in 1976. The company provides a wide range of IT services to clients in industries such as finance, healthcare, and government. 12. Bombardier. Bombardier is a multinational transportation company that was founded in Canada in 1942. The company specializes in the development of aircraft, trains, and other transportation systems. Cognos was a software company that specialized in business intelligence and performance management. The company was founded in 1969 and was acquired by IBM in 2008. 13. Corel is a software company that specializes in the development of graphics software and office productivity software. The company was founded in 1985 and is perhaps best known for its Corel Draw graphics suite. 14. ATI Technologies was a graphics processing unit (GPU) manufacturer that was founded in 1985. The company was a major player in the development of early graphics cards for personal computers and was acquired by AMD in 2006. 15. Alias Systems Corporation was a software company that specialized in 3D graphics and animation software. The company was founded in 1983 and was responsible for the development of software such as Maya and Sketchbook Pro. 16. Celestica is a multinational electronics manufacturing services company that was founded in 1994. The company provides a wide range of manufacturing and supply chain management services to clients in industries such as aerospace, defense, and healthcare. 17. Kobo is an e-reader company that was founded in 2009. The company's flagship product, the Kobo e-reader, has become a popular alternative to Amazon's Kindle and has helped to popularize e-reading in Canada and around the world. 18. D-Wave Systems is a quantum computing company that was founded in 1999. The company is a pioneer in the development of quantum computing systems and has been involved in groundbreaking research in the field. D-Wave's quantum computers are used by a wide range of clients, including government agencies, universities, and research institutions. These are just a few examples of the many Canadian advancements in technology. From e-commerce to space technology, Canada has a rich history of innovation and is home to many world-class institutions and companies. Whether you're a tech entrepreneur looking for a new home or simply interested in the latest innovations, Canada is definitely worth paying attention to. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.